Look at you drowning in a sea of content, scrolling through endless strategy guides and cramming every marketing tip you can find and fit into your brain. But here is the cold, hard truth. More content isn't going to give you more leads. Transformation is what's going to get you your marketing results.
I know. I've spent these last 5 videos talking to you about creating more content.
So hear me out. Think about it though. No one buys a gym membership for the equipment. They buy it for the transformation that equipment is going to give them. But here's the thing, your leads want the exact same thing. Not more PDFs, not more guides. They are seeking a transformation that's actually going to make a difference in their lives, which makes the results greater than the information. Because your leads are drowning in content too. So why the heck would they want another lead magnet or freebie that they're never gonna use?
Oh joy, another email.
Nobody is seeking more marketing fluff. They want a real path, a shortcut to the transformation they seek. And guess what? You are the guide that they're looking for. Your business, your brand, the solution you provide is the answer they're looking for.
I know. You're probably thinking, so how do I stop handing out more information and start providing a transformation?
But don't worry, I've got the answer. We're gonna flip the script on traditional lead generation so you can stop info dumping and start guiding. Look at anyone who has built a following on social media. They showed up as themselves consistently because people trust people, not logos. And regardless of if you're a big business or a small business, we're all on the same mission here. It's to build trust with the folks that you're talking to, that you're the person who can solve their problem.
Whatever their problem is. We got a lot of problems.
One thing you can count on from humans is having problems to solve. But why do you think client testimonials work so well as marketing? It's because these are real people with real stories sharing a real transformation that they had. Because the game isn't about chasing leads, it's about attracting them. Trust equals leads. It is simple math. But here's the ugly truth. If you're just giving people more information, then you're already losing.
Like, oh yeah, they're totally gonna wanna read that 30-page guide that you spent weeks writing.
So the real deal is the businesses that win aren't the ones who have the most content. It's the ones who have a clear path to transformation through their content. And that's where I come in. So if you're ready to stop chasing leads and start attracting them, then it's time to position your brand as the bridge between where your leads are and where they want to go. You already know the marketing pivot happening in real time in the world today.
Thanks to AI.
So the question inevitably becomes, what type of content do I need to be creating in order to help my audience have that true transformation that they are desiring? And that's not just gonna come from you posting endless information that is basically like you reading a Google search. It's going to come from content that you create that feeds their belief system, that answers their most frequently asked questions, and shows them the transformation that you've provided for other people, which is not only going to position you as the expert, but as their preferred guide for the transformation they seek as well. So the easiest way to do this by far is through building your infinite content vault. My infinite content marketing ideas playbook is absolutely packed with ideas for how to fuel your content to provide that transformation your audience is seeking. And as a bonus, never having to ask the question again, what type of content do I need to create? So are you ready to put your content creation in easy mode? Then don't miss the bonus framework I put together so that you can actually use AI to your advantage and not have to feel like you're fighting against it all the time when it comes to your content. I'll see you there.